Hello guys, today's adventure takes us on two incredible rail journeys. In the morning, we'll be embarking on the Montreux to Zermatt route with the enchanting Matterhorn Gotthard Bahn. In the afternoon, our rail adventure continues with the Gornergrat Bahn from Zermatt to Gornergrat. As we traverse from the picturesque lakes to the majestic mountains and vineyards, Montreux Riviera unfolds like a postcard, attracting artists, writers, and wanderers in search of beauty and tranquility. Join me on this awe-inspiring Swiss escapade as we head to the foot of the Alpine Matterhorn in Zermatt. Upon arrival at Zermatt, enjoy some time to discover this renowned mountain resort that lies at the foot of the Alpine Matterhorn. Later in the day, our journey takes us to the Matterhorn via the Gornergrat Bahn. It is surrounded by 29 peaks above 13,000 feet, including the iconic Matterhorn and the Duferspitze. Gornergrat offers unparalleled views of the third longest glacier in the Alps, a snowy wonderland where you can see all the way to Italy and France from the top. The ascent is breathtaking. In just 40 minutes, we reach Gornergrat station, the final stop for this mesmerizing train ride. Our overnight stay in Zermatt was at Hotel Derby, a charming spot nestled in the heart of Zermatt town. With its splendid views of the main street and a cozy restaurant, it made our stay even more delightful. Our overnight stay in Zermatt was at Hotel Derby, a charming spot nestled in the heart of Zermatt town. With its splendid views of the main street and a cozy restaurant, it made our stay even more delightful. If this journey has captivated you, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting adventures. This is Nia and Keshav, signing off from the Matterhorn Gotthard Bahn, where every moment is a blend of luxury and nature.